best price in the market.
Ndereti ya wendia wa shares ya kambuni ya Safaricom nithiite na mbere kunyita thinga Kenya makiuria ciuria cia gitumi gia kambuni ya Vodafone kwenderio gicunjĩ gĩkumi na ithano gia shares cia kambuni ya Safaricom handu ha Kenya.
We would make more gain if any proposed sale went to Kenyans who can afford it, and the proceeds also went to Kenyans.
Mamwe maria maratetio iguru ria thuguri ino ni uramati wa rivoti cia mwanya iria kambuni ya Safaricom inacio cia Kenya mwena gitumi gia kuhea igithia kuma nja wa bururi uramati wa indo ciao.
Foreign control, Honorable Chair, may prioritize profitability over social inclusion.
The proposed divestiture of 15% stake in Safaricom to Vodacom raises a critical concern about the further transfer of control.
Ohora mati wa kigina kiria gikumana na thuguri ino ni wikirirwo nganja ikundi itiganite igitetia waragania wa uria gikuhuthika kuona gutiri na njira njega ya kunyavara mutaratara uyu.
There is no specific project breakdown, the costing, the timelines, and implementation agencies.
The objective is framed narrowly around revenue generation without paying much reference to Article 201 of the Constitution.
Get us all the other accountability committee, the PAC and the PICs.
Oho Kenya marenda mutaratara uyu hinguriro wa Kenya othe undu uria muigite wa kugacirithia thogora wa shares ici makiria na oho Kenya kugena ukuruhania munene na kambuni ino.
We have seen when the Safaricom shares were floated, they were oversubscribed.
Mwenini wa kesi wa Safaricom ni ahanite mwihoko wa ati gutiri undu gucenjia iguru rigie mirutire ya wira ya Safaricom na ati no meguthie na mbere gutungata rungu rwa watho wa Kenya.
Safaricom's data sovereignty commitments remain entirely unchanged. Every data processing activity from collection to storage remain under the full ambit of the Kenyan law and country's robust data protection regulatory framework.
Hadu ni Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kehumo.